Well, this is the end of 6 weeks since I had my surgery. Um, I did meet the doctor, the surgeon, last week, and I talked to him, and he was positive, and he said that everything looks great. There doesn't seem to be any problems. He liked everything that he saw. He took an X-ray, and the X-ray showed how the knee looked, and he had no problems. He was happy with everything that he saw, and it was a quick meeting. I mentioned to him that I'm in pain, in discomfort, not like a huge amount of pain, just discomfort. And I said that I wasn't sleeping well, and he said, well, that is just par for the course. And so he had no issues with what he saw. So that is great news. So talking to him, and I going to see the physiotherapist the Mondays and the Thursdays, and now I started seeing another physiotherapist that I've been going to for I don't know, the past 7 years for various things. So I'm seeing him 1 day a week. So I'm going physio 3 days a week right now. The only reason that I am going to the physio on the Mondays and the Thursdays is because it's included. I don't have to pay for it. It's part of the network with hospitals and physiotherapists. After knee surgery or hip surgery, they have a certain group of physio places that you can go to at no charge. So I'm just going to a place that, as a supplement, I'm going an extra day every week to a physio place that I've been going to for many years, and everything, they're more hands-on, and they do a lot of electric therapy and heat. So I feel that is a good addition to my recovery. So that's what I'm doing. So tonight I went to the chiropractor for the first time because I have a sore back. Now, when I say I've gone to the chiropractor for the first time, this is the first time since I've had my knee operation that I've gone to the chiropractor. Normally, I go to the chiropractor every couple of weeks, maybe once to twice a month, because of past back problems. But this is the first time I've gone to the chiropractor, and he was happy with everything that he saw, but he did say that right now, he says that my one leg is 1 centimeter shorter now than my other leg. So I don't know, maybe that'll all work out. Maybe it's not a big deal. I don't know. You think they would have measured it, right? Like crap, so I don't know. Maybe that's just something that will come in line, and it's not a big deal. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see on that. But the end of week 6, so it's another positive week. I'm getting about 4 to 5 hours of sleep right now. It's still short of what I normally would get. I've been using the brick or the ice cube to keep my knee from swelling. So I've been using that. It's well, you know, like I'm just a little sore, a little swollen. 6 weeks in recovery, right? So it's all it's standard. So that's what I've been going through. You know, I've been getting out a little more. I've been taking longer trips, you know, to the store, or, you know, getting out, and I'm trying to do a little bit more. I have been trying to walk up the stairs more normally, and I find that I'm having issues climbing the stairs more than I'm having issues going down the stairs. Down the stairs seems to be a little easier on my knee than climbing the stairs. So I can almost go down the whole stairs normally. Climbing the stairs, I can get halfway, and then I'm doing a step at a time, right? So that's just where I'm at right now. It's it's just a stand. I guess just getting better. It's a slow process, and you know, it's just gonna take some time. So that's what my leg looks like right now. That is me, like, trying to straighten it, and you can see I'm not exactly getting it straight. The scar, everything's looking good. I was told to massage the scar, and that just to rub across, pull the scar one way and then push the scar the other, and that just sort of helps make sure that it's not tied into any of the tissue or tendons or muscles underneath, and that up here I've got a lot of movement, so everything looks good. Down here it's a little tighter, and so I've been told to work it back and forth. So that's something new. So that is just something that I'm going to have to work on. Until the scar is completely healed, you can do that, and you can sort of manipulate the scar just to make sure that it's just healing properly, right? So that's one thing that I've been told. So this is the end of 6 weeks, and you know, I haven't had any real setbacks. You know, it's all been healing, moving forward. There hasn't been anything that has really been negative. You know, like the only negatives, I guess, well, the only issues I'm having are just the ache in my leg, causing interrupting my sleep patterns. That's it. So, you know, that is the only thing I'm dealing with right now. I'm walking completely without a cane. It's, you know, I'm trying to walk without a limp, so I'm working on that. It's hard. I'm doing my exercises. I'm, you know, trying to get up off the chair every 30 minutes, but I'm probably doing it every hour, once an hour, walking around a little bit, just trying to, you know, heal and make sure that I'm moving enough, doing enough. But, you know, it's all good. It's, you know, so far, the only thing I gotta work harder at is straightening my leg. It's just tight at the back of the knee. So that's the only thing I'm worried about right now, is just doing more to have my leg straight. But anyway, that's where I'm at, the end of 6 weeks. Have a good night, and we'll talk to you in a week.